Yo, what's up everybody? Ito na, tutuloy na natin yung part 2 ng Kiosk gameplay. So, mag-serve na naman ulit tayo sa mga customer natin ng burger and hot dog. So, let's go. So, day 3 natin. Okay. So, yun, nag-generate yung mga buns. Hello, madam. I see you're still here. You must really like this job. I hope it pays well. Okay naman siya. Binabayaran naman ako ng tama. Can I get a soda and a burger with everything? Okay. Soda. Sige, bigay natin yung soda. Ito na yung soda mo. And burger. So, kuha tayo ng patty. Sarado natin yung pinta. Okay? Kuha natin yung kutsilyo. Kasi kailangan nating buksan yung patty. Okay. Luto tayo. Kuha tayo ng... Okay, lagay natin tong patty. And slice natin yung lettuce. Okay. Nalagyan na. Cheese. Kailangan pala natin ng cheese. Okay, kunin natin ulit yung kutsilyo kasi bubuksan natin tong cheese. Kuha tayo isang cheese. Lagyan natin and ketchup. Okay. Ayun. Thank you. Welcome, madam. Bayad ka muna. I don't know if I'm paranoid or I watch too many scary movies, but I have a feeling like somebody is following me around. A lot of creepy people around here. Paranoid ka nga lang, ma'am. Be careful. Naku, may tumatawag na naman. Hello? I see you? Who is this? Why are you calling? Sleep with your eyes open. Weird. May umorder na naman. Hello, sir. Hey, man. Can I get 2 cups of coffee and 1 hot dog with lettuce and mustard? Okay, coming up, sir. Dalawang coffee yung order niya. Meron ba tayong hotdog? Feeling ko kailangan natin kumuha ng hotdog. Sarado natin yung ref. Lagi ko nakakalimutan isarado yung ref. Buksan natin. Tumatalsik. Ampatin muna natin tong hotdog. Tayo ng hotdog. May lettuce daw at saka mustard. Okay, hindi pa siya pwede. Okay, luto na. Lagyan natin ng mustard. Okay, ito na yung order mo, sir. Dalawang coffee nga palang order mo. Okay. Okay, isa pang kape. Ang order ni sir. Kuha tayo ng takip para sa kape. Eto na sir, ang iyong order. Did you know that butterflies drink blood if there's an option? Eh, hindi ko alam sir. I always found them creepy. Here you go. Ang dami mo naman sinabi, sir. Di ka na lang magbayad. Oh, namatay na naman. Okay, may nag-order. Putang ina ka! Shit! What? Atakihin ako sa puso ng larong to. Ah, common ako ng hotdog. Ayoko na tumanggap ng order. Teka lang, tignan muna natin. Baka, pero, putang ina, kinakabahan tuloy na ako. 2 hotdogs with lettuce and mustard. Okay. Dalawa dong hotdog. Parang ayoko na tumanggap ng order. Hindi pa siya pwede ilagay. Okay. Okay, lagyan natin ng mustard. Things. Wala ka naman, sir. Police found his body by the way. Guy that work here. Oh, my friend. Report says he was stabbed over 50 times. His body was in some bushes near the park, not far away from there. He was left to rot in this rain. He didn't deserve what happened to him. No one does. So baka yung nagpaparamdam kanina, yun yung nagtatrabaho dito bago sa akin. Keep the change and stay safe. Thank you. Bait. May tip. May tip na naman tayo. Okay. Wala nang buns. Kailangan ata kumuha. Teka lang. Kuha muna tayo ng... Sinicheck ko muna. Baka mamaya. Hello. Oh my God. You see them too, don't you? What are you talking about? I can see the fear on your face. You should quit this job. It's not worth it. Ma'am, wag niyo po akong turuan kasi kailangan ko ng trabaho. Kailangan ko kumita ng pera. Give me a beer. Maybe you should get one too. Basta libre mo ako. And remember, you're not alone in this. I also see them sometimes. Oh, may third eye si Madam. Stay safe. Oh, bayad, bayad. Sarado natin yung ref. Ano pa bang wala? Kuha tayo ng patty. May nag-order na naman. Okay, I have another good one for you. Why did the hot dog marry his wife? Because she had great buns. Ooh, nice one. Just give me a beer and burger with cheese. Okay. Isang beer, ang order ni sir, at isang burger with... Putang ina ka! Ooh! Grabe naman to. Grabe naman yun. Patay ng cheese. Overcook talaga ba? Talaga ba? Nagrereklamo. Ay, nasunog ko nga. Legit. Nasunog ko. Nasunog ko yung patty. Okay, okay, okay. Kuha tayo ng burger bun. At meron pa akong isang cheese dito. Okay. Alright. Thank you. Maraming salamat, sir. Kailangan ko lang kumuha ng cheese. Sarado natin. Kuha ulit tayo. Oh! Ito na naman. Ay, utang na loob. Lagi na lang may nagpapatay. Oh, puta na, wait lang. Wait lang, wait lang. Ano naman yan? Oh, what the fuck? Ano yun? Damn, yun na yun? Damn, bomba pala yun. Okay guys, itong Kiosk game kasi it's a demo. Hindi pa ata siya nare-release sa Steam, but soon. Pero maganda siyang simulator game. So, if you want to play this game as well, guys, you might check on Steam and download the demo to experience this game. And again, kung nagustuhan nyo tong play demo walkthrough natin ng Kiosk, just give a like and don't forget to share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Again, it's Heal Gaming. Thank you so much and have a nice day, everyone.